Hi guys, I've just got a few little odds and pods to share. Okay, this is a postcard from, her name is Kat, and I met Kat through the Junk Journal Down Under Facebook group, and she lives like 10-15 minutes away from me, so we've actually met as well in person. And actually she's the only person I've met so far in person through this crafty world. So thank you, Kat. I see that this went on the 20th of December, but it's taken forever to get here from London to Sydney, Australia. And I think Kat was over there visiting family, and she said jet lag was over, not as cold, so no snow yet, and not leaving till the 30th. So Kat is actually already back home. You beat your postcard back home. And she was doing a hop-on, hop-off tour of London. Thank you so much, Kat. I love postcards, and thank you for thinking of me. I hope you collected lots of papers and everything while you're over there. And the other one is, I've opened it up, and it was just a little thank you card from Chrissy and Bev at Crochet for Kindness. And you would have seen a video few weeks ago. I'll put the link to that video down below because it's got all the details in it on the charity work that Chrissy does for and Bev that they do for Crochet for Kindness. And there was a little flyer in there, and she said thank you for the donation of wool and teddies. Thank you, that was really sweet. And this little box tricked me. I've actually had this little box for a number of days now. I'm sorry, I haven't had a chance to open and video it, but I did see Sonia McDonald, and for some reason I only just clicked now when I went to open it. I was thinking it was from Sonia McNamara from Tink's Life of Crafting. That was in my mind, and then I was just thinking Sago On Tuesdays bookbindery. I was like, oh, does she have a bookbindery? And I thought, oh, I've never heard her mention it. And then I was like, oh, okay, different surname, duh. So, Sonia McDonald, I don't know if I know you. I don't recognise this surname from like Junk Journals Down Under group or subbies on my channel, but yeah, look how cute this little box is. So I'm not sure what this is. I did look you up, I did Google your business name, and sorry if you're wondering why I'm showing the mobile number. Yeah, it's okay because that's actually on her business website, so I thought it would be okay to show. So yeah, I did Google it, and yeah, you've got a website and a blog and everything, and I'll put all the details to that in the comments box below. Oh, and I'll also put Chrissy's details below as well. Kat doesn't have a YouTube channel yet, but I do know she's opening an Etsy store this year, so hurry up, Kat, get cracking. So, oh, belated Secret Santa gift to dear Bonny. Oh, that's so cute. So, when you say Secret Santa, is it from you or from someone that bought something from your store? Oh, this is like intrigued me, this little box. So this is the business card, and I'll put the links down below anyway. I love that your card is long. It's not your standard business card. It's like a bookmark. Oh, what is this? Okay, I don't know how to open this little box without wrecking it. I should have snipped this further. This really is like a little Christmas present. Okay, sorry, I have to do this off camera because I need to... Oh, am I meant to pull that out? Okay. Oh, I don't want to wreck whatever. Oh, Okay, does that slide out from under there? Okay. I'm a bit unco opening stuff, aren't I? Oh, this is really lovely how you've done this, but I don't know if I'm meant to... Okay, I'm going to rip this, sorry. Oh! Wax linen thread. Oh, it feels so nice. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Sonia. And I don't know if you've said this or someone else has purchased it and sent it for me. Oh my gosh, that's so sweet. Oh, thank you to Sonia or whoever sent this. Well, thank you, Sonia, anyway, for doing it. But and some needles. Someone's probably sick of seeing my blunt needles when I sew stuff. Oh, thank you. Oh, see, these are good. These have got the big eye that you can thread, you know, crochet yarn and everything through as well, but it's still narrow at the top. Ooh, and what is this for? I'm going to have to, look up on your website to see if it explains this. Does anyone know how to use this little guy? Oh, thank you. I did say on my video that I didn't have wax linen thread, that I use crochet embroidery. What's it called? Not crochet embroidery. Embroidery floss. And oh, thank you to whoever sent that, and Sonia. That is so sweet. And now I know where to buy it. Thank you so much for whoever was thinking of me. And thank you, Sonia, for sending it. Yeah, I've seen a lot of people on mostly the America channels using this, and I had never seen it. I did look for it in one of our, well, it's not really a craft store. It's got a mix of sewing and party supplies and stuff like that. It's called Spotlight here in Australia, and I did look there for it, but they didn't have it. But yeah. Oh, thank you so much. That was like a lovely little surprise. And thank you. I do need new needles. I do have some really, really old ones that I've been using, but thank you so much. And I've got another Happy Mail to open as well, so I'll be back with that. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and thank you to my Secret Santa. Bye.